Hey yo, what's up guys and welcome to my channel. It's Tutor Great here, and today I will show you how to disassemble and reassemble, of course, an Epson L120 printer. So let's go! Let's start with preparing our tools. We need to unscrew the main body cover. There are two screws located on these directions. Next, we need to unscrew the ink tank's cover located on the right-hand side of the printer. The two screws are shown on the arrows. Then, we need to remove the ink tank's rubber caps so we can remove the ink tank's cover. Now, we need to prick the ink tank's cover as shown in the video. Then, remove in a manner as shown in the video. Reinstall the ink tank's rubber caps to avoid spilling of inks. Now, unscrew the ink tank compartments from the printer's body as shown in this video. Now we can move the ink tank compartments from the body to remove the printer's main body cover. There we go! We have disassembled the Epson L120 printer. To reassemble the printer, we just need to reverse the steps. Just watch this video that will serve as a guide. And that is how we are able to assemble and reassemble an Epson L120 printer. This is yours truly, Tutor Go, saying, keep safe always and have a great day.